Hi students, good evening. Continuation of the probability. Yesterday we discussed some basic questions and later another question. And observe that 5 coins are tossed whose faces are marked by 2 and 3 and find the probability of getting some step 12. Generally coin means we consider that in the coin we have head and tail, but they changed the face. Okay. In place of head they may return 2 and in place of head they may paste 3. Then find the probability of getting some 12. When that 5 coins are tossed, find the probability of getting some equal 12. That means, for example, how many cases are exist in this? N of S is equal, no doubt, Nana. 5 coins are tossed means you directly write an N of S is equal to 2 power 5, and that is equal 32. And second thing, let capital A be the event that sum will become 12 when 5 coins are tossed. 5 coins tossed is 7 coins. Sum main column, sum of the coins, top of the coins will become 12. For example, capital A is equal, how many cases are exist at that? Can anybody? Sum will be 12. Sum will be 12. I'm taking that one 2, 2, 2 and 3, 3. Only these cases. Sum of all this. Check it, Nana. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3. 6 plus 6, that is equal to 12. Only one case. Only one case. In this N of A is equal to, I mean, don't write N of A is equal to 1. How to find that N of A? Alike things in permutation. N of A is equal to, how you arrange these 5. These 5 means generally we are writing, these 5 can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. But in this we have alike things. What is alike things in permutations? For example, there are n things are there. In this n, we have P of one type and Q of second type and R of third type. P comma Q comma R, alike things, same things. P is equal, for example, in mathematics, how many times M repeated, N T repeated, A repeated, like that. Okay. P times of first one, first letter or first word, first number, not word, first letter or first number, and Q times of second one. This is R times. Then number of permutations is equal N factorial by P factorial into Q factorial into R factorial. Alike things. Number of ways of arranging alike things. Here also N of A is equal. So total objects, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is equal 5 factorial. By how many 2s, Nana? P is equal to here 3. P is equal to 3 and Q is equal to P is equal to 3 and Q is equal to, therefore, which one? P factorial into Q factorial means that is 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Nana, this 3 is not equal to this one. 3 times of 2 and this 2 not equal to this 2. 2 times of 3. N factorial by P factorial into Q factorial. N factorial by P factorial into Q factorial because of that reason. Clear? This question N factorial by P factorial into Q factorial. Therefore, P of A is equal to our formula. Simple formula, same formula, N of A by N of S. To do this calculation, Nana, N of A, that is 5 factorial, 5 into 4 into 5 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial whole by N of S is equal to 32. You check the calculation, everyone. 5 factorial, 5 into 4 into 3 factorial, write down. Denominator 3 factorial into 2 factorial by 32. This 3 factorial cancel. 2 factorial means 2 only. 2 1 ja and 2 2 ja. And 2 1 ja, 2 16 ja is equal to 5 by 16. Try to understand the select things, Nana. Number of ways of arranging n things. In this we have PR one type and QR second type and RR third type. Of course, there may be S so on. N factorial by P factorial into Q factorial into R factorial. One method. Just one more question like this. When two dice are thrown, yes. When two fair dice, two dice are rolled or thrown, find the probability that they may ask this type of question. Find the probability that the difference between the numbers, the difference between the numbers is at least two. Try to understand this question first of all, later we discuss. The difference between the numbers is at least 2, not less than. At least 2 means that may be more than 2. We can take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When 2 dice are rolled, okay, we are writing S is equal to what, Nana? Here 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, so on. The last one is yesterday we discussed, that is 6, 6. In this, difference between the two numbers is at least 2. For example, 1, 3. I mean 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. You can take 3 minus 1. You can take 1, 4. You can take 1, 5. You can take 1, 6, 1, 7, so on. Sorry, not 1, 7. 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, so on, like that. How many exist here? N of S is equal to 6 into 6, 6 square, which is equal 36. Okay? Writing that at least 2 means very heavy values. Nana. You write down that complement. Let A be the event that difference between the two numbers is 2. I'm finding A complement. Let capital A be the event that difference is at least 2. We are going to find complement. Therefore, A complement is equal. A complement means difference less than 2. I'm going to find the value difference less than 2. How many events are exist? Then we find P of A. P of A is equal to 1 minus probability of A complement. Like that. A complement is equal. Can anybody? How many, Nana? 1, 1 we can take. Here difference is equal to 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. I'm finding complement, not less than, at least 2. Complement 1, 1. And later 1, 2. 1 minus 2, that is equal. I mean, of course, 2 minus 1. Actually, they will give difference means modulus of absolute value. 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. If we take 1, 3, Nana, 1, 3 does not exist. 1 minus 3 or 3 minus 1 is equal to. Okay, next to go for 2. 2, 1. Difference 1. 2, 2. And you can take 2, 3 also. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Next, begin with 3. 3, 1 is not possible. Next, 3, 2 possible. 3, 3 possible. 3, 4 also possible. Okay. And next one, 4, 1 not possible. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 4, 2 not possible. That is 2. At least 2 can be satisfied. Next one, 4, 3. 4, 3. 4, 4. 4, 5. 5 minus 4, 1. And begin with 5. 5, 1 not possible. 5, 2 not possible. 5, 3 not possible. 5, 4. 5, 4. 5, 5. And next one is 5, 6. Next go for 6. 6, 5. And 6, 6. Once check, am I miss anything? Is everything is there? Which difference is equal to less than 2? I mean 0, 1, 2. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Therefore, A complement. N of A complement is equal 16. Then probability of A complement. The difference which less than 2 is equal N of A complement by N of A, that is equal to 16 by N of S is equal to 36. Okay. And which table, Nana? 4, 4 ja? and 4 9 ja 36, that is equal to 4 by 9. Therefore required probability of A, P of A is equal 1 minus probability of A complement, that is equal to 1 minus 4 by 9. Your answer 5 by 9. Your answer 5 by 9. Clear, students? Right, next one. If 3 dice are rolled, when 3 dice are rolled, n of s is equal to how much? When 3 dice are rolled, n of s is equal. If 3 dice are rolled, 1 die is rolled, n of s is equal to 1, 2 dice is rolled, n of s is equal to 6 square. I mean, 1 dice is rolled, n of s is equal to 6, 2 dice, n of s is equal to 6 square, and 3 dice, n of s is equal to 6 cube. Find the probability of showing all different numbers. Showing all different numbers. When 3 dice are rolled, find the probability of showing all different numbers. Showing all different numbers means when 3 dice are thrown, first hand, second hand, of course, there is third hand. When 3 dice are rolled means that may be 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, like that. Okay, showing all are different numbers. Different numbers means other, not 1, 1, 1. You take 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, 5, 6, 7, like that. Okay, when 3 dice are thrown, n of s is equal to n of s is equal to 6 cube, which is equal to 216, 36 into 6. Find the probability of showing all different signs, different numbers. Don't write all this, Nana. Actually, when one die is taken, s is equal to, I mean, die has how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Every die has these 6 faces. Unless we change the 6 faces same. I mean, 6 faces means dots. 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots, 5 dots, 6 dots. In this, all are different. All are different means arrangement. First one may be 1. Second one should be other than 1. You take second one 3. Third one should be other than 1, 3. That means 2, 4, 5, 6. That is arrangement. Arrangement means that n of A is equal 6p3. In this, you take 3 different numbers. N of A is equal. Therefore, P of A is equal to your answer n of A by n of S. Simple question. Okay, simple question. Some students are counting. Counting is very long. When 3 days means 216, not possible. 6p3. Okay, the value of 6p3, 216 is equal to 6 into 5 into 4 by denominator 216. You make this calculation. Answer is, that is 5 by 9. 6 table, 6 1 ja, 6 36 ja. 6 1 ja, 6 36 times, and 4 1 ja, 4 9 ja, that is equal to 9 times, not ja, 5 by 9. Yes.
యా రెస్పాండ్ కండి సార్ అడిగే వాటికి వన్ వే ఉండకుండా మీరు కూడా మాట్లాడండి.
And next one, and one more question. Observe the question. Obtain the probability that the birthdays of 7 people obtain the probability that the birthdays of 7. I'm writing number 7 people. 7 people will fall. These different questions is there, and we explain all. 7 people will fall on 7 different days. 7 different days of the week. 7 different ways of the week. In this case, assuming equal probabilities for every 7 days. The condition they will given. Okay. Once again, read a question on everyone. Obtain the probability that the birthdays of 7 people will fall on 7 different days of the week. 7 different days of the week. Okay. Here, what is N of S? Can anybody? What is N of S? Obtain the probability that the birthdays of 7 people will fall on 7 different days. In this condition, N of S also difficult. Can anybody? N of S is equal. The sample space contains, for example, my birthday on the 7 days, any one of them. Maybe Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, so on. For example, my birthday that can be selected in one way. Out of these 7 in 7C1. Similarly, everyone 7C1 into 7C1 into 7C1 into 7C1 into 7C1. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one 7C1. You directly write down that is 7 power 7. 7C1 is equal to 7. Therefore, N of S is equal to 7 power 7. 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into up to 7 times means 7 power 7. And what is our condition, Nana? That the birthdays of 7 people will fall on 7 different days. N of A is equal. 7 different days means 7 things. For example, there are 7 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All are different. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All are different. All should be different because they are 7 people will fall on 7 different days. Therefore, N of A is equal. How you take that N of A? First person has, for example, first my birthday. I have 7 options. Same arrangement here also. I have 7 options. Next one, 6. Next one, for example, I went to the room. For example, birth. At the birthday, maybe Sunday, maybe Monday, maybe Tuesday, maybe Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, na? In this any difficult, you take that 7 as child. First I came. I have 7 chairs. Second one, 6 options. Next one, 5 options. Next one, 4 options. Next one, 3 options. Next one, 2 options. Last one, only 1 option. Directly. That is N of A is equal, students, 7 factorial. Therefore, P of A is equal N of A by N of S, which is equal to 7 factorial by 7 power 7. Clear, students? 7 factorial by 7 power 7. Same question they may ask. Obtain the probability that the birthdays of, instead of 7, they kept to 12. 12 people will fall on 12 different months. 12 people will fall on 12 different months. They change. 12 people, 12 months. Automatically, same answer. Your answer is, for this 12 case, P of A is equal 12 factorial by 12 power 12. Because week contains 7 days, your answer 7 factorial by 7 power 7. And months contains 12, therefore 12 factorial by 12 power 12. Like that. Okay, students, write down. For example, they may give 4 people or 5 people. For example, they may give 4 people, less than 7. less than 7. For example, 4 people, week contains same condition. Here also same. Here also same. In this condition, I mean less than 7, n of s is equal. N of s is equal to what? N of a is equal to what? And n of s is equal to what? There are only 4 people. Their birthdays are not on same week. They may be different. What is n of s? N of s is equal again same conditions. Only 7 into 7 into 7 into 7, that is equal to 7 power 4. Whereas n of a is equal, that is very, very important. NPR. N of a is equal to NPR, which is equal to 7p4. On this condition, P of a is equal to 7p4 by 7 power 4. Equal students like this, 7 factorial by 7 power 7 per week. Per month, 12 factorial by 12 power 12. In this condition, months. Okay? And here, the persons are less than 7. I mean less than week or less than month. On this condition, this one. Less than week. Persons are less than week. Like that, they may change the question. 7 days, 7, 12 months, like that, 10 boxes, 10 caps, 10 holes, like that. Okay, now? Next. One more question. This is also important. Out of 52 cards, out of 52 cards, 4 cards are drawn. 4 are drawn. Then n of n is equal to what, Nama? 4 cards are drawn randomly without replacement. Okay. What is the probability? What is the probability that in this first condition, they belong to different suits? In this, we have 2 questions. They belong to different suits. What is the meaning of suit? What is the meaning of suit? And second one, they belong to different denominations. Different denominations. Suit means what? Sorry, what am I? Denomination.
Yeah, response student, please first. We are
What
expecting
is
from
suit,
your side
Nana?
answers. చెప్పాలని ట్రై చేయాలి, పేపర్ పెన్ యూజ్ చేయాలి.
Out.
13.
13.
Very good.
A pack of cards contains 4 suits. Okay, Nama? Diamond, heartin, club, and spade. Yes. Therefore, n of s is equal to what? In this condition,
Sir,
we are taking 52C4. C4. Then what is the probability that they belong to different suits? Different suits means how you select that one? Different suits. Here we have 4 suits. Each should contain 13 elements. I mean 13 cards. 13. Different suit means you select one from hearted, one from diamond, one from club, and one from spade. Therefore, n of a is equal 13C1 into 13C1 into 13C1 into 13C1. Therefore, n of a is equal this total value 13 power 4. 4. Therefore, finally, P of A is equal to 13 power 4 by denominator 52 C power 4. Clear? Right. Whatever second one. Same in this condition also, N of S is equal 52 4. I mean 52 C4. They belong to different denominations. Denominations means denominations. We should know the word denominations. While we enter into the bank, they ask first denominations. 10 rupees, 100 rupees, 1000 rupees, 2000, like that, 500. Different. Okay. In this case also, for example, first one, they belong to different denomination means, and I am taking first one from diamond and one from club and one from hot-in and one from straight. N of A is equal here 13C4. 13C4. That all are different. All are different means, for example, I take one card is equal to S, As, Jack, Q, and next one I am taking some number 8. Some number 8. 4 cards. 4 are different. 4 are different. Moreover, denomination means this may be from spade, from club, from diamond, from hot-in, like that. Therefore, N of A is equal in this condition 4 into 4 power 4. We take anything. Therefore, N of A is equal 13C4 into 4 power 4. P of A is equal, your answer, 13C4 into 4 power 4 by denominator 52C4. That is the difference between different suits and denominations. Okay, write down. Write one more question. 3 electric bulbs holders are fixed. 3.
Sir, good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. 3 electric
నైట్ పోయినాం సార్, ఆగలే. వచ్చేటప్పుడు ఆగినాం సార్.
holders are
గంటలు పెట్టినట్టు సార్. శ్రీయాపేటకు 2:30, అవి ఒక 2:30, 4:30, 5 గంటలకు పోయినాం సార్.
fixed in a room.
మార్నింగ్ 5:30 అట్లా స్టార్ట్ అయింది సార్.
సార్ మ్యూట్ లో పెట్టరా?
అంతే కనిపిస్తుంది. ఏం లేదు, ఫాస్ట్ గానే వెళ్ళిపోయినా. ఇట్లా దంతాల పెళ్లి నుంచి ఇట్లా పోయినాము. 2 hours లో మేము అట్లా పోగానే సార్ దగ్గర వస్తుంది సార్. ఇట్లా మంచిగా ఉంది.
3 bulbs are chosen.
Half an hour,
సార్
40
కొంచెం
minutes
డిస్టర్బెన్స్
కావాలి.
వస్తుంది.
దంతాల పెళ్లి
సార్
తొర్రూరు నుంచి 12-13 కిలోమీటర్లు పోయిన తర్వాత రైట్ ఉంటుంది సార్.
from a set of
మహబాద్
20.
నుంచి ఈ రూట్ ఎక్కుతాం మళ్ళీ కొద్దిసేపు, బాగుంటుంది.
సార్ కొంచెం
దంతాలపల్లి,
మ్యూట్ లో
నూతనకల్లు ఆ నుంచి ఎంత సార్? 40 కిలోమీటర్లు దంతాలపల్లి నుంచి. అది వెళ్ళినామంటే మనకు శ్రీయాపేట నుంచి 120-130 కిలోమీటర్లు వస్తుంది సార్.
సార్ మ్యూట్ లో పెట్టరా? a set of 20 bulbs.
రేపు సండే సార్. చెప్పలేదు సార్.
Student, can you make one chat?
చెప్పాలి అంటే ఆర్టిస్ట్ టైం దొరకలేదు. విజయవాడలో పెట్టిరా సార్?
Which 16 are good and fitted to the holders. Fitted to the holders. What is the probability? What is the probability that the room lighted is lighted. Try this question, everyone. Answer very simple, single line question is very long. One second. Everyone read this question. The electric bulbs holders are fixed in a room. Electric bulbs holders are fixed in a room. Holders name. 3 bulbs are chosen at random out of a set of 20 bulbs. Therefore, you directly write down N of S is equal to 20 C3. N of S is equal to 20 C3, of which 16 are good and fitted to the holders. 16 good bulbs means how many bad, how many not working? 20 minus 16, that is equal to 4 are not working. Okay, 4. Yes. What is the probability that the room is lighted? What is the probability that the room is lighted? Okay, na? Total 20, good 16 means good bulbs 16. Therefore, bad bulbs which are not working, bad bulbs means in the sense, bad bulbs is equal 20 minus 16, that is equal to how many? 4. And what is our question? And fitted to the bulbs, what is the probability that the room is lighted? What is the probability that the room is lighted? Probability of lighted. Room veligi undali, kanti undali. Probability of lighted is equal. Can anybody? Probability of lighted is equal. You can select it. You can select from the 16. Maybe 1 light, maybe 2 lights, maybe 3 lights, maybe 4 lights, maybe 5 lights. That's why we don't know. Therefore, in this condition, probability of lighted means 1 minus probability of no light. 1 minus probability of no light. Probability of no light means 1 minus. How many teams, for example, how many bad lights here? 4. Okay, you just select that 4 from these 3. 4 C3 by your answer 23. 1 minus probability of no light. No light, how many, Nana? There are 4 bad bulbs. Therefore, the 3 selected from this 4, that is 4 C3 ways. If you answer 1 minus 4 C3 by 20 C3.
సార్ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయరా సార్ ప్లీజ్?
Sure. Definitely. Here, you try to understand the question, Amma. The electric bulbs holders are fixed in a room. There are 3 bulbs are chosen. Out of the set of 20. 20 bulbs మనకి ఇచ్చాడమ్మా, దాంట్లో 3 సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోమంటాను. Therefore, N of S is equal 20 C3. First case. And second case, next one, of which 16 bulbs good bulbs. In this 20 bulbs, 16 are working. 16 are working means automatically 4 are not working. 4 are not working. And fitted to the holders, what is the probability that the room is lighted? Room velagali antandi. Therefore, we know that probability of A plus probability of A complement is equal to what? Probability of A lighted. Probability of A complement not lighted. Okay. Therefore, I am going to find that probability of A is equal 1 minus probability of A complement not lighted. 1 minus probability of no light means you select. No light means మన room లో light రావద్దు. No light means you select that 3 bulbs out of these 4. Why, sir? These are bad bulbs, not working bulbs. Therefore, that is 1 minus 4C3 by 20C3. Total 20C3. 1 minus bad means automatically good. 1 minus bad means automatically good. That is equal P of A. Okay? You don't write that 16C1, 16C3. Okay? When you write 16, if 1 light is lighted, for example, ఒక లైట్ వేసినా రూమ్ వస్తుందమ్మా, 2 వస్తున్నాయి, 3 వేసినా లైట్ ఆటోమేటిక్ వచ్చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? Don't write 16C3. 16C3 means you are selecting directly 3 bulbs which are working because of that reason. Okay? Like that, one more question. minus. There are 50 tickets in a lottery. There are 50 tickets. 50 tickets in a lottery. You consider that is 50 numbers for convenience, in which there is first and second prize, not only first, comma, second prizes. There are 2 prizes, second prizes, first and second prizes. What is the probability of a man drawing prize if he won 5 tickets? What is the probability of a man drawing a prize? Not prize, 2 prizes they ask. Prize of if he won how many tickets? 5 tickets. Of if he won. No need of printing mistake. Right. See the question. There are total 50 tickets in a lottery. In lottery ticket, we have 15 total tickets, in which there is first prize and second prize. First prize and second prize. What is the probability of a man drawing a prize if he won 5 tickets? And drawing the 2 prizes, and actually drawing 2 prizes if he won 5 tickets. For example, he bought 5 tickets. 5 tickets కొన్నాడు అంటున్నాడు. Then how you do this question? Here also same case, before case. Here also same case. But N of A, one condition is there. Here N of A is equal, first of all, N of S is equal. He bought how many tickets, Tana? 5 tickets. Therefore, N of S is equal to, directly write down 15C5. And second one, what is the probability of a man drawing it 2 prizes? Again, same condition. Probability of A plus probability of A complement is equal to 1. That is, probability of A is equal to 1 minus probability of A complement. Therefore, I am writing P of A is equal to N of A, success case. Capital A is equal to, I am take success. And automatically A complement will become failure. Not getting prize. Therefore, probability of getting prize, P of A is equal to 1 minus probability of not getting prize. Not getting prize. Now we have to find probability of, N of A complement. Can anybody, what is N of A complement? 1 minus N of A complement by N of S. Your answer comes to denominator 15C5. 1 minus something by 15C5. Can anybody say N of A complement? How you select that N of A complement? N of A complement.
45 C2, sir.
40,
5
45,
C2, sir.
45 feet. కొంచెం దగ్గరకు వచ్చావమ్మా.
45.
Why you say 45 రా? Why you say 45?
అందులో నుండి మనము గెలిచిన 5 టికెట్లు తీసుకున్నాం కదా సార్, 50 నుండి 5 మైనస్.
ఇక్కడ నేను 5 టికెట్లు గెలవలే కదమ్మా. ఉన్న ప్రైజ్లే 2 కదా. ఐ బాట్ ఓన్లీ 5 టికెట్స్. నేను 5 టికెట్స్ మాత్రమే కొన్నానండి. అంతేగాని 5 టికెట్స్ ప్రైజెస్ అని చెప్పట్లేదు. ఓన్లీ వీ హ్యావ్ 2 ప్రైజెస్. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పరా, నీకు ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది.
5 C2,
వెరీ నియర్. నో
48 C2.
48 C2. ఏ కాంప్లిమెంట్. ఓకే, ఆ 2 రిమూవ్ చేసేయండి అమ్మా. ఆ 2 రిమూవ్ చేసేయండి. ఓకే, ఎన్ ఆఫ్ ఏ కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 48 C2. అవును. therefore P of A is equal to your answer. That P of A is equal to 1 minus 48 C2 by denominator N of S is equal to 50 C5. 50 C5. 5 ప్రైస్ అన్నప్పుడు మనం తీసుకునే ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది. 45 అనేది ఇక్కడ తీసుకోవద్దు. Right. Next student, write down this question. 8th one. In a family with 4 children. Simple question. In a family with 4 children. What is n of x? In a family with 4 children. 4 children. The probability that there are at least 2 girls. There are at least 2 girls. There are at least 2 girls. Students, put in mute, Nana. There are at least 2 girls. N of x is equal. Can anybody? In a family with 4 children, the probability there are at least 2 girls. At least 2 girls. N of x is equal
4C2.
2 power 4. 2 power 4. Boy or girl? Why? Because either a boy or girl. 2 cases. Okay, na? Therefore, your answer is 2 power. Same kind question. 2 power 4. Next, the probability there are at least 2 girls. What is the meaning of at least? At least 2 girls. Let capital A be the event of at least 2 girls. Now n of A is equal. Yes, tell me. At least 2 girls. And that's 4.
More than 2 ante at least.
More than
2 means you take 3 and 4. At least 2 means you can take 2 also. You can take 2 also. At most 2 means up to 2 only. That means there may be 2 girls, there may be 3 girls, there may be 4 girls. 2 girls or 3 girls or 4 girls. How you select this one?
Having only one girl.
No. At least 2 girls. Clearly mentioned the probability that there are at least 2
Sir.
girls. We
Yes,
have
sir.
to find at least 2.
Out of 4, 3 boys, 1 girl, like that.
No. In a family with 4 children, the probability there are at least 2 girls.
4
At least 2 girls mean you can take 3, you can take 4 also. Come, Nana? Yes, girls?
4C3.
Okay. Begin with 4C2. At least 2 girls. First case. 4C2 plus 4C3 plus 4C4. All these are favorable cases. All these are favorable cases. The probability there are at least 2 girls means you can take 2, you can take 3, you can take 4. All are accepted this condition. Okay, na? Yes, 4C2 value 4 into 3 by 2 into 1, 4 2 ja 3 2 ja 6 plus 4C3. 4 plus 1 equal to 11. Therefore, P of A is equal to 2 power 4, 16. It is equal to 11 by 16. That is your answer. There is no bias condition, Anna. One simple question I ask you, you do exercise. If 2 unbased dice are rolled, then the probability of getting a prime score. If 2 dice are rolled, then the probability of getting a prime score. What is the meaning of prime? Prime score. Prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, so on. Now answer everyone. 2 dice are rolled. Then the probability of getting a prime score. What are the prime scores when 2 dice are thrown? How many prime scores are exist first of all? And that will be your answer. When 2 dice are rolled, automatically n of s is equal to 6 square, that is equal 36. Okay. Prime. What are the prime names when 2 dice are thrown? When 2 dice are thrown, minimum sum is 2, Nana. 1, 1. Maximum is 6, 6. That is 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. In this check, what are prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, and next one, 11. 2 occurring chances, 1, 1. 3 occurring chances, 1, 2, 2, 1. Similarly, 5 occurring chances, 1, 4, 2, 3, like that. You find all these and say how many they are. Therefore, P of A is equal to our answer N of A by N of S. Can anybody? No one say N of A still. Two means only 1, 1 option. 3 means 1, 2, 2, 1. 2 ways. Like that you can't all. Next 5. 1, 4, 4, 1, of course. 2, 3, 3, 2. And next 7. How many students? When 2 dice are thrown, compulsory idea vandalama. Both are same number. Both dice show same number means that is 6 cases like that. Some greater than 10, some greater than 11, some equal to 12. Okay? Some 2 like that. And one question. Same die question. I change the face of dice. 6 faces of a die. A die are marked. A die are marked with numbers. Die means you can say that numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I change that numbers. 1, -1, 0, -2, 2, 3. Die face. One face has one number, second face -1, third face 0, and next face -2, third next face, fifth face 2, and last face 3. And the die shown thrice. And the die throws thrice, 3 times. 3 times. The probability that the sum of the numbers, the probability that the sum of the numbers thrown is 6. SIX is thrown is 6 is some 6 award. Anybody? 6 faces of a die are marked with numbers 1, -1, 0, -2, 2, 3. And the die is thrown thrice. Die is thrown thrice means N of S is equal to what, Nana? The probability that the sum of the numbers thrown is 6. Okay, that means if you throw that all these 3 dice and top of the sum, top numbers, if you add all these top numbers, that will be 6. That will be 6. And how many cases are exist? That is pair rule cases. Okay. Here N of S is equal, very simple, that N of S is equal to 6 cube, which is equal to 216. And capital A is equal sum on the dice becomes 6. How many cases are there? Yes. Someone on the line. And what are the cases? Chapandi. Some 6 case andi. Some 6 cases. You can take one case, 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is equal to 6. And second case, like that. First die 1, second die 2, third die 3. Next, second one.
1,
Second
3,
one.
2.
1, 3, 2. Don't repeat like that, Nana. Other than these numbers, you say, I explained how to write this one. These 3 can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. Don't repeat that one. Other than that.
2, 2, 2.
Yes, 2, 2, 2. And we have one more option.
114.
1 1
4.
1. There is no 4. They face are only these. 1 comma minus 1 comma 0 comma minus 2 comma. Yes. Last one 3 comma 3 comma 0. Of course, you are right, boy. You said 1 comma 3 comma 2. That is also right. And these three can be arranged. N of A is equal. Now tell. These three can be arranged in 3 boxes in 3 factorial ways. Okay, na? 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1 like that. We have 6 cases. 3 factorial means. And 2, 2, 2. And these are electings. These three can be arranged again 3 factorial. Electings. PQR. 2, 2, 2 repeated means 3 factorial by 3 factorial. Last one also. These three can be arranged in 3 factorial. In this we have 2 electings 3 comma 3. Therefore this can be done in 2 factorial ways. Okay. Now N of A is equal 3 factorial, that is equal 6. Cancel here 1. And 2 factorial 3 into 2 by 2. 2 cancel 3. 6 plus 1 plus 3. N of A is equal to 10. Therefore, P of A is equal to, for answer, 10 by 216. Like that, they change the faces of the dice and faces of the coins also. Okay, right. Compulsory that probability should be linked with both permutations and combination, I like things condition.
సార్ ఒక డౌట్ సార్.
చెప్పండి అమ్మా.
A equal to 3 factorial ఫస్ట్ ఓకే సార్. సెకండ్ వన్ 2 to 2 అన్నప్పుడు 3 factorial by 3 factorial అని ఎందుకు తీసుకున్నాం సార్? అర్థం కాలేదు.
Alike things. This can be done in only one way. If you replace this one, that looks same. Actually, out of n things. Okay, na? If P things are alike of one kind and Q things are alike of second kind and R things are alike of third kind, so on, then the number of arrangements is equal n factorial by P factorial into Q factorial into R factorial formula. Alike things ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇలా వస్తుంది వర్డ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఎంసెట్ ఉంటుంది. EAMCET. You just arrange all this. In this we have 2 alike things, E comma E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 can be arranged in 6 factorial and alike things 2 factorial because of that reason.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Once you check intermediate textbook, academic textbook, in this maybe third section or fourth exercise, we have alike things condition. Alike things and before the circular permutation condition. చూడండి అమ్మా, మీకు చాలా యూజ్ అవుతుంది ఆ బుక్ అనేది.
ఓకే సార్.
Next, one more question. A bag contains 50 tickets. A bag contains 50 tickets. Okay, numbered. I am writing directly now. Numbered 1, 2, 3, so on 50. Same like that. Of which 5 are drawn at random. 5 are drawn at random. Probability with inequality cases. Random. 5 are drawn at random and arranged in ascending order. Ascending order of magnitude. Magnitude also given. Modulus, magnitude, absolute value. That x1 less than x2 less than x3 less than x4 less than x5. That 5 numbers are like this: x1, x2, x3, so on. And first one is less than the x1 less than x2 less than x3 less than x4 less than x1. Small to big. The probable bag contains 50 tickets. Same like that. A bag contains 50 tickets. Numbered 1, 2, 3, so on. You know, they give numbered, nana. Numbered 1, 2, 3, so on up to 50. Of which 5 are drawn. Pi r one means you directly write down. You directly write down n of s. N of s is equal to what is our answer? 50 C5. Next, are drawn at random and arranged in ascending order. They are arranging that 5 in ascending order of magnitude x1 less than x2 less than x3 less than x4 less than x5 like that. Then the probability that x3 is equal to 30. What is the probability that x3 will be 30? How you select the remaining 4 numbers? Already they give one number. How you select the remaining 4 numbers? Can anybody? Easy question. Real line condition. Only real numbers, real line condition. How you select that capital A? I mean n of A. N of A. Directly write down n of A. I mean favorable cases. Here that inequation is what, Nana? x1 less than x2 less than x3 less than x4 less than x5. Now you write here, that will be clear for you. And clearly they mention the value of x3 is equal to 30. The remaining 4 numbers, how you select? Use the condition real line. N of A is equal to
C5.
what, Nana?
49
49 C5. That means, sir, already used one number, sir. Remaining I have 49. Therefore, your answer is 49 C5. No, no, no. One mistake is there. That probability linked with real line. Real line. Real line means minus infinity to plus infinity. In between, I take one value.
Sir,
Yes.
2 values left side to 30, 2 values right side to 30.
Very good. Then n of A is equal to
29
n of A is
C2.
equal. Yes. Here 1 up to here 29. Here 150. Yes. N of A is equal to 29 C2 plus. And plus remaining after 30 to 50 we have 20. That is equal to 20 C2. Yes. Therefore, P of A is equal to your answer 29 C2 plus 20 C2 by denominator 50 C5. They may change inequality. For example, probability of here x1 is equal to 1. On that case, if x1 is equal to 1, if the value x1 is given and moreover that x1 is equal to 1, on this case, n of A is equal to 49 C5. C4. 49 C4. If that x5 is equal to 50, on that condition also 49 C4. One more vowels condition. Conditions and vowels and consonants when word is given. Here the word is article. A-R-T-I-C-L. Be ready. At random, all letters of the word article are arranged. Okay, given word. I am directly write down the given word. Given word article. A-R-T-I-C-L-E. Arranged in randomly. Okay, or arranged in all possible ways. In all possible ways, the probability that the probability that the arrangement begins with vowel and ends with consonant. Begins with vowel and end with consonant. Simple question. One more question. End with consonant. Consonant is. Here what is N of S? Article. What is given word? Article. A-R-T-I-C-L-E. Therefore, n of s is equal. N of s is equal. Anybody? At all? At random, all the rest of the word article are arranged in all possible ways. The probability that the arrangement begin with vowel and end with a consonant. N of s is equal total 7 letters and 7 factorial. In this, how many vowels, Ra? You separate that vowels and consonants. Vowels. A, E, A, I, E. Here 3 vowels and remaining consonants. Consonants how many? R, T, C, L. 4 consonants. And how you arrange all this? How you arrange all this? Here one condition is given. What is that condition? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. The probability that the arrangement begins with vowel and end with consonant. What is the meaning of that one? Begin with consonant and end with vowel. The first place should be vowel. Here you replace either A or E or A. Either A or I or A. Anyone. And consonant, last place filled with consonant. That may be R, T, C, L. Then how you fix all this? That A, comma, I, comma, E. These 3 vowels can be arranged in first box. These 3 vowels can be arranged in first box in
7C3.
No. Arrangement. I clearly mentioned arrangement. Arrangement means P. Combination. Only selection means C. How you fix all these 3 in one place? Not possible. This is first letter place, second letter, third letter, fourth letter, fifth letter, sixth letter, seventh letter. The question is begins with vowel. Begins with vowel. You can replace any one of these 3 in that first box, and this can be done in 3P1 ways. Okay? This first box can be filled in 3P1 ways. But we would use only one vowel. That may be A, that may be I, that may be E. Begin with vowel. I am not forming the letter article. Vowel to begin కావాలని మాత్రమే చెప్తున్నానండి. And second one, last case. Here, the last place end with consonant. Here we have how many consonants? 4 consonants. Therefore, this can be done in 4P1. And observe here, I used only one vowel and left R. Here I left 2 vowels. Whatever it may be. If I used A, remaining IE, I left. Here also, when 4P1, in this, I used only one consonant in last box. That may be R, that may be T, that may be C, that may be L. I left here 3 consonants. 3 consonants. Here I left 2 vowels. Here there I left 3 consonants. These 2 plus 3. These 2 plus 3 can be arranged in remaining 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is no condition on these 5 boxes. These 2 letters, these 3 letters, 2 plus 3, 5 can be arranged in 5 boxes in 5 factorial ways. Therefore, N of A is equal 3P1 into 4P1 into 5 factorial. 3P1, 3 only. That is equal 3 into 4 into 5 factorial. Therefore, P of A is equal to N of A by N of S, 3 into 4 into 5 factorial by denominator 7 factorial. Means 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. These 5 factorial cancel and 3 1 ja and 3 2 ja. Here 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. Your answer 2 by 7. The first box filled with 1 vowel out of these 3 in 3P1 ways, and last box filled with 1 consonant out of 4 that can be done in 4P1. Here we left 2 vowels and here 3 consonants. 2 plus 3, 5. These 5 can be arranged in remaining 5 boxes in 5 factorial. And the required element is 3P1 into 4P1 into 5 factorial. And finally, our required probability is 3 into 4 into 5 factorial by 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. 5 factorial, 5 factorial cancel your answer 2 by 7. Clear? One question. The letters of the word MSET. The letters of the word MSET, EAMCET, MSET are arranged
స్క్రీన్ మంచి కనిపిస్తలేదు సార్.
or అవునా సార్? చూడండి సార్. సార్ ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్. ఇంకా అట్లా బ్లర్ అవుతుంది సార్.
ఒకసారి చెక్ చేస్తారా సార్? సార్ ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
The letters of the word MSET are arranged in all possible ways. The probability that no two vowels come together. The probability that no two vowels come together. Actually, we have one questions and come together questions. Later we discuss that questions also. Come together means what? Do not come together in this condition. No two vowels come together in that word. Come together in that word. Not come together. No two vowels. ఏ రెండు vowels కూడా పక్క పక్కన ఉండకూడదు అంటారు. Okay, already I explained that word MSET. In this condition, n of s is equal, how many given word MSET? EAMCET. N of s is equal to
6 factorial by
n of s 6 factorial by 2 factorial. Why? Because we have two alike things. Okay, here vowels are, what are the vowels, Nana? E, A, E, 3 vowels. And consonants, how many consonants are there? M, C, T. Only 3 consonants and 3 vowels. Now tell me the condition. The probability that no two vowels come together. N of s, okay. Here N of a very, very important. No two vowels come together. Let capital A be the event that no two vowels come together. How you define this condition? పక్క పక్కన ఉండకూడదు అంటే vowels. Okay, conditional vowels mean at that time you arrange remaining consonants. What are remaining consonants, Nana? M, C, T. I arrange remaining 3 consonants in 3 factorial ways. Among these I have how many gaps here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 gaps. First I arrange 3 vowels in 3 factorial ways. 3 consonants in 3 factorial ways. Among these we have 4 gaps. These 4 can be arranged with. These 4 gaps can be arranged with 3 vowels in 4p3 ways. Okay, na? In this, no doubt, Nana, that E, A, E. If you begin here, E, A, E. If you begin here, E, A, E. If you begin here and left this one, no problem. There are also E, A, E. Conditional vowels only. No two vowels come together. But you can write two consonants adjacent to each other. No problem. That's why first I filled three consonants in three factorial ways. In this we have four gaps. These four gaps can be filled with three vowels in 4P3 ways. But here also we have electing. Therefore your answer 4P3 by 2 factorial. N of A is equal. N of A is equal 3 factorial into 4P3 by 2 fact. And finally your answer P of A is equal, and P of A is equal 3 factorial into 4P3 by 2 factorial by N of S 6 factorial by 2 factorial. These two cancel, students. I mean 2 factorial cancel. And P of A is equal 3 factorial 3 into 2 4P3 4 into 3 into 2 by denominator 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. And these two are cancelled. 3 2 just 6 cancel. Answer 1 by 5.
సార్ నో టూ కాన్సోనెంట్స్ అంటే 4P3
No two consonants come together. At that condition, you first arrange 3 vowels in 3 factorial by 2 factorial. In this, we have 4 gaps, same 4 gaps that can be filled with 3 consonants in 4P3 ways. By 2 factorial, ఈ ప్లేస్ లో వస్తుంది, maximum same answer రావచ్చమ్మా.
2 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ రాదు
అమ్మా
2 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ రాదు కదా సార్ అంటున్నాను.
అంటే ఆల్రెడీ 3 లో వస్తుంది కదా, ఫస్ట్ వి అరేంజ్ దట్ ఈఏఈ. అంటే ఈ కేసులో మనకి సేమ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు పక్క పక్కన కేసు ఇవ్వడు వాడు మనకి, జనరల్ గా వేరుగా ఇస్తాడు అంటూ. ఫస్ట్ అరేంజ్ దిస్ ఈ కామా ఏ కామా ఈ ఇన్ ఏ రో ఇన్ 3 factorial by 2 factorial. This one. In this we have, in that EAE also we have how many gaps? Here 1 gap, 2 gaps, 3 gaps, 4 gaps. These 4 can be arranged with 3 consonants in 4P3 ways. ఈ ప్లేస్ లో కంపల్సరీ వచ్చేస్తుంది. N of S value same 6 factorial by 2 factorial. We get same answer. Because equal number of letters is at that time we get same answer. For example, MSET additionally we have one more. For example, here one more O. At that time answer may be different. At that time answer may be different. Okay students. Sir, రేపు చూద్దాం సరిగా.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay.